The recognized workhorse polisher in the industry just got even better. Introducing the 7-inch Makita rotary polisher. This new 7-inch polisher includes several innovative features, including rubberized gear housing and loop handle to help protect delicate surfaces from damage, wire mesh intake covers to prevent wool fibers from entering the motor, and improved cord guard for increased flexibility and longer life. And of course, all the same features remain that have earned this tool legacy status, including an electronic controller that provides variable speed, soft start, and constant speed control. With several new features and increased durability, the 9237C polisher remains the choice of industry professionals.
I've been using the Makita polisher for many years. The new one's out. I really like the new one. The new easy handle, you can use it, it's very versatile. So between the cord extension, your vents, your rubber handle, it's a great machine all the way around.